Please welcome to my channel Techno Network. I hope you all are doing well. So in my previous video I explained you some basic commandlets by which you can get system information and system configuration. This video is the second part of my previous video, which is system information and configuration. So in this video I'm going to explain you how to check date and time, how to set a date and time, how to see what are the applications are installed on this machine. So first I'll show you the alias name, which you can use in the command prompt also, and then I'll show you the PowerShell commandlet. Okay. So first we are going to check what are the application has been installed on this machine. So let me use the alias first. So the alias to know what are the applications are installed on this machine, which is WMIC, hit enter, and then type product get name comma space version, hit enter. Just wait for few seconds and you will be able to see all the applications which is installed on this machine. Well, it is taking a bit time over here. Meanwhile, let me show you the same alias which I said it will work in the command prompt also. Let me open the command prompt first over here. I'll just open the command prompt and I'll type the same WMIC product get name comma space version, hit enter. So in PowerShell you can see here on the screen these all are the application which is installed on this machine. For example, 7-zip is installed, Microsoft Visual Studio additional runtime is installed on this machine, cloud strike firmware is installed on this machine. So that is how you can use the alias name to get the application installed on this machine. I have opened the command prompt also, and you can see by this alias you can see the all the application installed on this machine using the command prompt. Let me close the command prompt here. So this is the alias name which I explained you. Let me show you the commandlet by which we can get the softwares which is installed on this machine. Let me come out from here first. I just pressed Control C shortcut key and I hit enter. 1 second, Control C, and I hit enter. Okay, so I came out from the CLI mode to the system32 folder, and now the command let to see the applications which is get WMI object space win32 underscore product, hit enter. Okay, so again it will take some seconds and then it will show you all the applications which is installed on this machine. And now this get WMI object win32 will not work in the command prompt because this is the commandlet of PowerShell. Okay, only alias which I showed you previously, this will work in the command prompt. Okay, it is taking some time over here. So there you can see it showed you all the applications which is installed on this machine. So there you can see the Zoom application is installed on this machine, and Microsoft VS tool for application is also installed on this machine. So that's how you can use this alias name and commandlet to see the application which is installed on this machine. Apart from this, let me show you how to see the time. So the alias name to see the time, which is date, and hit enter, and it will show you today's date and time. Okay, now this is the alias which will work in the command prompt as well. Now what is the command let to see the date in PowerShell, which is get date, and hit enter. You will be able to see the date over here and the time is also available over here. Okay, now this is the get date and date to see the date. Now what if you want to set the time and date? So to do that you have to do one thing. You have to use set hyphen date. This is the commandlet of PowerShell by which you can set a date. With the set date commandlet, you have to give the date, time, and year in numbers. So, for example, I'll give month is 8 slash date is 23rd slash, and year will be 2009, and hit enter. It will change the time. Okay. So that's how you can set date over here. And to set time, you have to use the same command, set date and give the time. You have to give the time in this format: 1 2 colon 15 minute colon 0 seconds. Okay. So it is 12 p.m. 15 minute 0 second. So that's how you can set the time. Okay. And apart from this, you can see the time zone as well. To get the time zone, you have to type get time zone and hit enter. You will be able to see the time zone is IST time zone over here. Okay. If you want to change the time zone, so first you have to find that what are the time zones is available. So to do that, you just have to type get time zone space. You have to give one parameter over here, which is list available, and hit enter. It will show you all the time zone GMT plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5:30, which is Indian time zone. Okay, so that's how you can get the time zone. And to set the time zone, you have to use set hyphen time zone. You have to give one parameter, which is ID, and then you have to give the time zone. In my case, I'll give the time zone Indian Standard Time Zone, and I'll keep this in the inverted comma, and you can hit enter. So after hitting enter, it will change the time zone. I'm not doing it right now because it is already set to Indian time zone. That's how you can set the time and date of this machine. Okay. So I hope you have learned something in this video of the system configuration. Please hit like if you have learned something. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.